AE16 drone operation tutorial. Open the packaging box, take out the product and accessories. Product configuration. Before flying, it is necessary to charge the drone battery. Connect one end of the charging cable to the battery. Connect the other USB plug to the charging device for charging. The indicator light displays red during charging. The fully charged indicator light is off. Preparation before flight. Expand the drone arm. Install obstacle avoidance module. Installing drone batteries. Before starting the drone, it is necessary to confirm that it is placed horizontally. Long press to open the drone. Open the remote control again, and the drone will automatically match the frequency with the remote control. One-click calibration of gyroscope. The drone light flashes and stays on. Calibration completed. Long press to calibrate the compass level. Rotate horizontally clockwise and hear a beep. Then rotate vertically clockwise and hear a beep again. Compass horizontal calibration completed. Waiting for the drone GPS to search for stars. The remote control beeps, completing the frequency matching. Take off when the search signal reaches 8 or above. Connect app. Scan the instruction manual QR code to download the app. After downloading, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Simply clip on your phone and start flying. Unlock the drone with the inner 8 sticks and push up the left stick to take off. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Back off. Fly on the left side. Fly on the right side. Speed switch beeps to low gear. The beeping sound is in medium gear. Beep 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 3 times for high speed gear. Electric camera up and down adjustment. Short press to switch camera left and right adjustment. Long press the obstacle avoidance button. Drone activates obstacle avoidance mode. Long press again to turn off obstacle avoidance. Short press the return button, and the drone will return to the takeoff point. Indoor mode demonstration. First, turn on the drone and remote control switch. Long press the GPS button on the remote control to turn off GPS. One-click calibration of gyroscope. Unlock the drone with the inner 8 sticks and push up the left stick to take off. Replace the fan blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the fan blade screws and remove the fan blade. Pay attention to distinguishing between A and B labels. Install the corresponding fan blades onto it.